Hello, welcome again to my channel, and today we're gonna do a uh, stew pork riblet with tender cactus. What we have here is pork riblet. It's about 6.5 pounds of pork riblets have been washed really good, and the other ingredient would be the tender cactus right here from a can that you can buy from a Mexican store. This what it right here. Tender cactus, marinated tender cactus. We use 2 cans of that. Each can is about 6 pounds, so about 12 pound. About 12 pound of tender cactus, marinated tender cactus. And the other ingredient going with that was the chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. You can buy that from Asian store right there. And this is the 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This is the one right here, Panda brand. And 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, and 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. You can use sugar too, and then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now, before you do anything, marinate. Put all of this, just marinate it. Okay, just put all ingredient there. Garlic salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken bouillon. Okay, just marinate that. The palm sugar we do that later. Don't put the palm sugar in. All the ingredients has to be in there and marinated. Really good. Alright, just keep marinating until all the ingredients mix together. Alright, let the meat marinate for, sit there for about maybe like 20 minutes. If you can, put the meat in the refrigerator. And now let's start cooking. Alright, turn on the stove to high heat. And we gonna caramelize the palm sugar. Let the palm sugar caramelize, maybe a minute or so. Oh, palm sugar is melting right now. Yep, turn the heat to around to medium when it start burning like this, caramelizing. Alright, just about right consistency right here. See, it's turned really brown now. And alright, time to put the pork, the marinated pork in. Turn the heat up high again after you put the pork in. and stir it really good. Okay, after 5 minutes, stir it a little bit, open the lid and stir a little bit. Oh, the color is kind of changing a little bit. Now put the cactus in. Yeah, the cactus is they already cut into pieces and brine in the in salt water in the can already, so it's like pickle. It tastes like a little sour, but it's a lot of salt in there already. So you don't need to add a lot of salt in the pot here. The cactus is very, very salty and sour a little bit. So we're gonna cook it about 1 hour or so on medium heat. But occasionally, every 5 minutes or so, and open the lid and keep stirring it, because you don't want the bottom to get burned. So every 5 minutes, you want to get the flip, the one on the bottom to the top. So put on the lid every 5 minutes doing that, and let it. Doing that for about an hour or so, and let the cactus get tender. Okay. Yeah, the meat too. Let the meat really cook. Put the lid on, let it simmer for about an hour, but occasionally, every 5 minutes, you gotta stir it. And turn the heat to medium. Alright, after about 1 hour of cooking, this is done. The pork riblet and the cactus already well cooked. Now we're gonna plate it up. Alright, this is the final product, stew cactus with pork riblet, and see some jalapeno in there too, because in the can of cactus they also put jalapeno in there. So this you normally eat this with jasmine rice. It's very tasty. So I hope you try this recipe out and tell me how you think. It's simple to make. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and give me a thumb up. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.